video you learn how to make money on TikTok. The clock is ticking. TikTok. Are you making money on TikTok? Too cheesy. I don't know this TikTok. Nothing's too cheesy there.
Okay.
To do that, I want you to grab two things. First, a cup of coffee because you're awesome. Second, my free 0 to 10k followers guide on Instagram that you can grab your copy of in the description down below. Like this video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe if you are, in fact, new to the channel. The awesome community we've built. This is an OBS tutorial, let's get right into it. So, the first way to actually make money on Instagram is the creator marketplace. And I'll show you how it looks like. It's creatormarketplace.tiktok.com, and it says here TikTok Creator Marketplace, the official platform for brand and creator collaborations on TikTok, meaning brands that want to sponsor and find TikTokers that are relevant to their expected audience. There's a platform for that, and brands can actually see data. For example, they can see the male versus female, the age group of each audience, the countries that the audience of a typical of a targeted influencer is on, and so far. To actually get there, the bummer is that from what I've heard, you gotta have over 200,000 fans, followers on TikTok, and you gotta also be invited. Your channel has to be, your TikTok account has to be suitable for sponsorships. But it's one of the best ways TikTokers make money, and there's a lot of data to back that up. The second way to make money on TikTok is actually sponsorships. And you might be thinking to yourself, oh, how can I make money on TikTok? I'm just a small creator. But you know what? Micro creators are one of the best return on investment for companies. And you know what? Because they have a smaller audience that's very condensed, very precise, and they really want to help the creator and build him up. Sometimes micro creators per fan can bring a better ROI to a sponsor. Normally you would be waiting for sponsors to come, but you don't, if the mountain isn't coming to you, you should definitely try and go to the mountain. And to do that, you use a special website that I have for you right here. The site is actually called Shortcard, and influencer marketing by Shortcard, top influencer marketing Shortcard, blah blah blah. I'll log in because I have an account, and I'll show you how it looks from a brand standpoint, because I've paid some people. It says 6 campaigns, and I think I just spent like $100, tried it like 2 years ago. Welcome Crazy Pipe. And from here you can actually check browse, or you can go ahead and look at packages. People that have multiple accounts or networks, I guess. For example, you can get over 12 million people in the humor and meme space for $600. 12 million people, that's larger than the population of the country I'm in and probably the city you're in. So yeah, there's packages, but if you go on browse, you can see that a TikTok account with 11k followers, that's actually seems like a personal page, charges $15, some with 8k would charge 100, some with 4k on that's Twitter. Here is a TikTok one, 5k, $10. So you can definitely make like $10-20 every other day if you register on Shortcard. If you want to check Shortcard out, you can go in the description and check the link. If you are offered a promotion, if you're helping some brand with their sponsorship, you want to be creative. You don't just want to, I'm selling water, I'm selling a coconut. You want to make a dance around it, something funny, be creative. If you're a creator, create. You might attract people that you never thought you would attract. For example, someone will see this ad that you just made on Shortcard, but then someone else will just DM you from your business email and say, well, I really liked your ad, I want you to promote my product. Another way for creators to make money on TikTok is actually coins. And if we go on TikTok right here and click the 3 dots, click on balance, you see your coins. I have 0. But to actually get coins, you can start live streams and your viewers can donate coins to you. Your coins will be converted to diamonds, and 10,000 diamonds I believe to be around $50, so $100 is like 20k diamonds. But to do that, you actually gotta go live. If you want to learn how to go live without 1,000 followers or in general, check the video in the cards above. So these are the ways to make money on TikTok. I wanted this to be a short, brief video that will help you out. I replied to every single comment. If you have any question, comment down below. Remember that a video day keeps the doctor away. See you in the next one. Oh, I'll shout you out in one of the next videos. All I want from you is to comment your TikTok username down below. The shout out winner on this video is... This video is over. Check one of these videos.